What's up guys? Today we will discuss about remembering all the clotting factors is not an easy task. So let's make it easy today. Factor 1 is fibrinogen, fressors. Factor 2 is prothrombin, party. Factor 3 is thromboplastin, tonight. Factor 4 is calcium, come. Factor 5 is labile factor, let's. Presence of factor 6 has not been proved, party. Factor 7 is stable factor, sing. Factor 8 is antihemophilic factor, and. Factor 9 is Christmas factor, call. Factor 10 is Stewart power factor, seniors. Factor 11 is plasma thromboplastin antecedent, please. Factor 12 is Hickman factor, have. Factor 13 is fibrin stabilizing factor, fun. So freshers party tonight, come let's party, sing and call seniors, please have fun.